Next, call by reference, guys. Call by reference. Okay, guys, write notes. Next, call by reference. Calling function by using calling function. Next one, calling function by using reference. Calling function by using reference. Write this, guys. Calling function by using reference. Reference means address. Okay. Calling function by using reference. And previous program, draw this diagram also, guys. This is a calling function. This is a called function. If you any made, this is a original parameters. These are the duplicate parameters. If you change anything, it won't reflect on original parameter. Draw this diagram. After that, write this call by reference. Call by reference. Yeah, call by reference. Finished, na? While passing parameter using call by address schema, we are passing the actual address of the variable to the called function. Yeah, guys, what is call by reference, guys? See, finished, na, this text. Now call by reference. What is call by reference? The same function. Here what we are taking, pointers, addresses will take. Star p I will take, as star x. Both are same. Star x and star p, guys. Star x and star q. Now, guys, tell me what you have to pass a and b instead of a and b. Here what you have to change? What you have to change here? Tell me, guys, what you have to write? Is it correct? A and b is correct?
Ampersand A.
Ampersand A.
Address, right? Why? Because it is an int star. Int star means address type. This is also address type. Here what you have to pass address of A, you have to pass address of B. We are passing address of A and address of B. See, guys, in while passing parameter using call by address scheme, we are passing the actual address of the variable to the called function. We are passing address. Okay, now see. Now what will happen? This address stored in P, this address stored in Q. Okay, P and Q. Here what you have to write, what you have to change here? Int prototype. What you have to write? Prototype. Guys, tell me. What you have to write? Prototype. Int star.
Star, sir.
Int star. This is also int star. Int star. Okay, now what I want to do? I want to change this. I want to add these values, right? Instead of star p, add some value to this p. Star p equals to star p plus 5, and star q equals to star q equals to star q plus 5. Star p equals to star p plus 5, star q equals to star q plus 5. We are printing those values, star p and star q values, not x and y. Star p, star q. You know, star p, nothing but a and b values only. Star p, star q are printing. Okay, before calling and after calling, what will happen? See, in this call by address scheme, in the call by address scheme, what will happen? See, yeah, this is a and b value. This is a main function memory. Main function memory. Okay, addresses will be stored. This is a value stored and here b value stored. Assume this a address is b address. Assume here a address is 1001. This is 1001. Here a value I have taken, a values I have taken is 10. guys. Here I have taken, this is a 1001 address. This value stored in 1001 and 1002. This is 10. A value is 10. This address is assumed. This address is 2001, and this value is what? 20. This is A and B value. This is A and B, guys. This is 20. This is A, and this is B. This is a main function memory. This is main function memory, and what we are doing here, I am taking another function. What is that function? Change function. This is change function. Okay, p and q you are taking here. P and q. What is p and q? It's a pointer variable. P is a pointer variable, and q is also pointer variable. We are passing addresses only. We are passing addresses. What is p stores? This is p you are taking. What is p stores? Address of x. What is address of x? 1001. Here what is q? Q stores. This is a q. It stores 2001. Q stores 2001. We are not passing any addresses. Sorry, we are not passing any values. We are passing addresses. This address you are passing to P. This address you are passing to P, right? Yeah, you are passing address, and this address also we are passing. This Q address also we are passing to Q. This is Q address. Okay, 2001 stored here. Clear, guys? See, this address you are passing. This address you passed. Address nothing but we are storing P. We are storing P. Nothing but what is the meaning? P is pointing to A, Q is pointing to B. That's all. Okay, we are passing addresses means nothing. We are P is pointing to A and Q is pointing to B. That's all. P is address, Q is address. Okay, using addresses we can modify those values. That's all. See, guys, what is the another step? We are, while you are passing call by address scheme, we are passing the actual address of the variable to called function. Any update made inside the called function will modify the original copy. Are you following? Original copy. Why? Because that is nothing but a exact memory location only. If I change anything, see, before calling and after calling, see the A and B values. A is 10, B is 20. A is 10, B is 20. 15, 25 in the function. Okay. After calling A and B, see this, what is nothing but we are changing original values only. We are changing star P. I said star P means this value only you are changing. Now 10 value become what? 15. Original values only you are changing. Before calling, after calling. This is 25. After calling is 25. Before calling is 20. Clear, guys? Right? Call by reference. Call by reference means any duplicate parameter won't be created. Any duplicate parameter won't be created. No parameter. Only original. We are passing the addresses. Okay, guys. Right? Execute this. Write this program. Okay. Before calling and after calling. I will explain. Right, guys? Important, call by value and call by reference in interview point of. Explain what will happen. Okay, just don't tell calling, passing values, passing addresses. That is not concept. What will happen? Duplicate parameter will be created here. Here it won't create any duplicate parameter. That is a concept you need to explain. Okay. Guys, write the output for these two programs also. Okay, write the output and draw the diagrams. Finish this program. If it is finished, draw this diagram. This is a call by reference. Yeah, guys. Next turn. Next program, guys. See, guys. Next program. Functions with arrays. Functions with arrays, guys. Functions with arrays. Yeah, guys. See, now I am writing a program, guys. Tell me the output, guys. Main function I have taken, and also array change function I have taken. Array change. Okay. In that array change, what is the parameter I am taking? What am parameter I am taking? B of array value I am taking array, right? Here when you are taking as a formal argument, guys, when you are taking as a formal argument, you should not write, you should not declare the size. Remember, don't write 5 or 10 or 20 or 30. You should not write when it is a formal argument. When it is a formal argument, you should not write, right, size. Yeah, guys, see, what I'm taking, guys, here I am taking array is five elements I am taking. Okay, what I'm passing of 5 elements: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, 50, 5 elements. Clear screen. Okay, see, guys, I want to call this function. I want to call this function. Guys, tell me how to call this function. How to call this function? Yeah, Nitin, how to call this function? Or Prithvi, how to call this function? Yeah, Ruhina, how to call that function? Tell me. Here, this function how to call?
Array exchange of A.
Array change of just A or address of A or anything.
Only A, I guess.
Is it correct? Guys, tell me, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Guys, not required any parentheses or A of 5, not required anything. Okay, just A. We are passing A, right? Okay, after passing, what will happen? This value goes to B. This value goes to B. Now I want to change these B values, guys. I want to change the B values. I equals to 0, I less than 5, and I plus plus. I want to change these values. What I'm doing this, B of I equals to, guys, see, B of I plus B of I plus 5, or B of I plus, yeah, B of I plus 5, guys. Now here I did not I am not doing anything. I want to print those elements. After calling only I want to display those elements. Okay, after calling, before calling, after calling. Before calling, what is the answer? After calling, right? Before calling I will write, guys, printf before calling. Before calling, how to display them? For I equals to 0, guys, I less than 5, and I plus plus. I equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Print those elements. How to print those elements? Percentile d, percentile d, right? A of I am writing. A of I, just A of I. Print those elements. Give a small space between the printing. Okay. Now same, after calling I want to print, after calling also I want to print I equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, I plus plus. After calling also I want to display those elements. See what I'm doing here, slash and percentile after calling. Okay, after calling give one space, what I'm displaying, a of I want to display a of I, and get ch close. Here I give you one message after calling. Here I give you a message after calling. After calling. This is before calling. Guys, write this program. All of you write this program and tell the output. Guys, write the program first. First write it and tell the output.
Both the time it prints 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 only, sir.
Then what is the b values then?
B values are 15, 25, 35, 45.
B values. Yeah, guys. Yeah, Ikshwak. Ikshwak. Yeah, what is the expected output? Ikshwak.
Yeah, for loop 15, 25, 35, 45.
This one, this one.
In main itself, second for loop.
Second for loop. What about b values?
15, same, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55.
This is a call by value or call by reference?
Reference.
Call by reference. Yeah, guys, draw the diagram for this. This is call by reference, not call by value. Okay, what will happen? See, this is array, right? We have taken 5 elements. This first element, second element. Draw the diagram for this. Draw the diagram for this. Okay, what will happen? Okay, if I take like this, this is a first element 10. This is first element 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Guys, these addresses, assume this addresses starts from 1001 and 1003. It is 1003, right? 1005 it is, 1007 it is, and 1009. Okay, here we are passing a means what? Base address you are passing. Here it won't create any new array, it won't create any new array. It's the array is nothing but a pointers, I said, right? I said a pointer. B is also what? B is a pointer here. B is a pointer, right, guys? A is a pointer, you know this. A is a pointer and P is a pointer. Both are pointing to the same array. This is A and B. Array is nothing but addresses it stores. This is A is just pointing, and B also pointing. Nothing but A, B are both are pointer variables. A and B, you know this. What values it stores? It stores what? 1001 it stores 1001. Right? What is pointing? A also is pointing, right? A is the same. A also pointing to that array, and B also pointing. Okay, if A is pointing, A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3. B is also pointing, B of 0, B of 1, B of 2. See guys, it is not called by reference. It's not called by reference, called by value. Okay, Now what will happen? We are changing b of I equals to b of I plus 5. You are changing this value. You are adding 5, 5, 5 values. Okay. Before calling 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 this. After calling, what will happen? You are adding 5, 5 values to these elements. 5, 5 values. Call by value is not possible for arrays. Call by value is not possible. If you pass one by one value, you can pass it. Are you passing? What I'm telling, one by one value you can pass. One by one value. At a time you can't pass array. Here A I'm passing. At a time you can't pass array. We are passing addresses only. If you want to pass one by one element, we can pass one by one element. Call by value is not possible for arrays. Call by value is not possible for arrays. Okay. If call by value not possible for arrays. What is the meaning? Array means number of elements will be there. At a time you can't pass number of elements. That is my intention here. One by one element we can pass. What we can pass? A of 0 we can pass. If I pass A of 0, that is different. Okay. Call by value is not possible. Call by value is not possible for arrays and strings. Now after changing what? Before changing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After changing this will modify this. What will happen? This 10 become 15 or 20 become 25 and 30 become 35. You are adding 5, 5 values to this array, right? Are you following? Here there is no two arrays. There is no two arrays. A and B are the pointer variables. That's all. Okay. See the output, guys. Draw the diagram also. It is A and B are pointing to that array. A and B are pointing means the storing addresses. See, guys. Now see the output. Undefined symbol I. We are using I value in 3 for loops, right? In this function also you using in this function. That's why I declared as a global variable. Type mismatch. Okay. How to declare that value? Void of function name is what? Array change of int of semicolon, guys, sorry, semicolon. Choose the value before calling 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After calling you are adding 15, 15, 15. Okay. Instead of this, guys, if you write b of also same, if I write star b also, both are same. There is no any difference. If I change as star b of also same array. See, no difference anything. Arrays are also nothing but a pointers. I told you, right? If I write a star b also same, b of also nothing but a b also, it is a address it stores. B of also it stores address. It is not creating any duplicate parameters, guys. It is not creating duplicate parameter. Okay. See this. Okay. If I write a star b also, nothing will happen. Star b also nothing will happen. Okay. See, call by value is not possible for arrays. Next program, guys. Here what I am doing, str change here character b of I want to take character b of what I'm passing. Character b of means what? I want to reverse this strrev of b, reversing this. After reversing, print b value. Okay, here I don't want to do this. See, guys, now I will take a string. Take a string as character a of 20. Character a of 20 equals to, now I am doing abcd. It is abcd. Call that function. Before calling, print it. After calling, print it. Okay. See what I am doing. Slash n. What is a? Before calling a. Before calling percentile s, print a. How to call that function? Call str change of. I want to call that function str change of. Call b. I am passing. Sorry, a I am passing. A value I am passing. After calling also, what is b value? What is that string I want to print? Okay. After calling percentile s, b value printing. Sorry, not b, a. After calling, what is b? Right? What is a? After reversing, what is b here? I want to, after reversing, what is b I want to do? Right. This is b is what? Percentile s, print a b. Now instead of this array change, here what you have to write? Str change, not required I value. Guys, tell me what is the output now. Instead of this int of, here you have to write char of. Right, guys, this program.
Sir, small doubt.
Yeah, ask.
Sir, like previously you said array change of int star b.
Yeah, int star b.
So to access uh, those elements, like if we kept int star b, can we access using b of I and b of like that, or we need to like b plus I star of b plus I,
See,
or we
whenever
need
it is
do we need to
pointing, yeah. I said right. Whenever it is pointing, see, if it is a pointer, we can use a of 0 also. We can use 0 of a also. You can use star a plus 0 also. We can use. I said right.
okay, yes,
You can use
okay,
three types. You can access a of 0 or 0 of a, right? Or star a
okay,
plus 0. I said this.
okay,
If it is
okay,
a
sir.
plus 0 as address, star a plus 0. If p is a pointer, then also we can use p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. That is valid. Okay,
Okay,
now?
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Both are arrays are pointers, no different. If I write a char star b, also b of also same, char star b also same. There is no any difference.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
So to access those elements in the function also same.
Same, that's all.
Okay,
If I
sir.
write
Sir,
star, if it is pointing, you can use all array properties.
okay,
If it is a pointer, all array properties are applicable. Arrays
okay,
and pointers, there is no any difference. If it is a pointer, p of I you can use, p of 0 you can use, p of 1 you can use. If it is pointing to the array.
okay,
Okay?
okay.
Yeah.
Sir, will you share those images that you are explaining?
Yeah, I will share that. Yes,
Okay, okay.
I will share that. What is the output now, guys? Before calling, what it is? Before calling, what is A?
A, B, C, D, sir.
A, B, C, D. Okay, here come to the B. What is this B now?
Or D, C, B, A.
D, C, B, A. Okay, after calling,
Or it's D, C, B, A, sir.
D, C, B or A, B, C, D? Hmm? See, this is string reference. I told you, right? Call by reference only. Call by value is not possible. I told you call by value is not possible for arrays and strings. That's why this is ABCD. Here we are modifying B, right? We are modifying B. Then after calling DCB, how it will be the diagram? You know this, that diagram, right? This is ABCD. A is also pointing. I told you, right? A is also pointing and B is also pointing. If you modify A or B values, both are pointing the same array. If I change the B also, there is no two memory location. There is no any duplicate parameter. Original content only will be changed. A and B are what? A and B are addresses only. A and B are addresses. Through addresses, we can change the contents in the arrays and strings, right? Now, first what is there? ABCD is there. First ABCD is there. Okay. Here what we have done, B is pointing to that array. B is pointing to this string. We modified this. Okay. You reversed this. Whatever ABCD is there, it is reversed to what happened? DCBA, right? Draw this diagram. DCBA. Okay. After reversing, see, before calling ABCD, it is after calling DCBA. A and B are the pointers, right? See, this is a diagram. There is no any duplicate parameter. For strings also, it is a call by reference. The call by value is not possible for strings and arrays. We need to remember that point. Call by value is not possible for arrays and strings. Now check it, guys. Now see the output. Before calling is ABCD and after calling is DCBA. Okay. Yeah, guys. In the functions, we discuss some programs. Example. I will show you the questions. Finish now?